Guys, so today I'm going to show you how my husband put up this TV and sound bar and yeah, made it look wireless. So let's see, all the wires are neatly tucked in the back there. But yeah, I'll show you step by step, and I'll list all the things that he used. I'll list them in the description. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys. Okay, so the wall mount is on, and then now what we're gonna do is make a hole there and another hole down there so that the wires from behind the TV can run through the wall. Obviously this is drywall, so it shouldn't be too tricky. And then once we've got the holes, we're gonna cover them with these what are they, socket covers, so that way when the TV's up, you're not gonna have any wires dangling down. Okay, so that was the first hole, and then he'll just cut around. Well, you're gonna use the knife.
No, can't use the knife.
Okay, can't use the knife.
Just have to use this
What's that, a hammer and a what?
chisel.
And a chisel.
Oh, actually, I could get a saw, but
Yeah, it's not that serious, is it?
I don't know.
A snicker.
It's 5/8 and then
What?
diameter of 1 inch.
5/8 of an inch. Alright, cool. Okay, so now we're doing a test to see if the light comes through from the top hole to the bottom hole. Oh,
You see light?
no. Oh, yes, I do.
Yeah,
Very
I see it.
slightly, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo!
So there is a passage.
There's a passage. We find out after we've made the holes. Okay. Did you tie a weight to the rope? Okay. So we've tied a weight to the rope. And then you're just gonna thread that through. Or feed it through. Like, drop it down and feed it through. Does it
So
get
I'll look,
reached
you
yet?
keep an eye on it. If you see it.
Yeah.
Yes, you see it? Or yes, you'll tell me.
Yes, I'll tell you.
No? Nothing?
No. Oh, I can see it.
Oh yeah,
It
it's
just
done by.
dangled past. Yeah.
Oh, it's been done
It's
by
because
a
it
while.
was. So your
Oh,
things
it's
are not
been done
lined
by-
up.
There you go.
Your things are not lined up exactly.
No, it's
but-
not. This is just gravity.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So before I made the hole,
Yeah.
I put the weight and just let gravity tell me where to
Oh,
fall.
okay. The straight line. Nice. Perfect. Woo! What is that? Oh, it comes with. Oh, I didn't know that thing came with like a brush opening.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's what I'm
wow,
saying. So
okay.
that's what I was saying. It's gonna look much
Neat no
better
matter
than
what.
you think.
Okay, so he's just fastening that part of it. Nice. What do you think, Maya? How's it looking? Daddy doing a good job? Oh, that's what you think of his job. Okay. It looks fantastic. And then this one at the bottom is gonna kind of be flush with those sockets down there. Yeah, very nice. Okay, and then he'll just do the second one. Okay, so this is the extension cord. So he has tied the bottom end to it. And the idea is you can just pull it with the top cord all the way to the top. It just fits. So yeah, that's why he bought a small one, because the plug is different from the usual American ones. Otherwise that would have fit. Okay. Alright, it came out.
Yeah, so I used 2 ropes. So whatever I'm bringing up or down with a second rope attached as well.
Right.
So that when it comes through, so now I have a rope that has come through along with this.
Right.
And then a spare rope. Otherwise, what would have happened is this would have pulled up and then,
Oh, see, I thought you tied it to the middle. Okay, you didn't tie it to
which
the
is
middle.
an option. But then
Okay.
they were also, I mean, it's the same thing, but yeah, that's
You
fine.
just tied it to the end. Okay,
So
cool.
let's have an extra rope around.
Perfect. So we're also gonna mount the sound bar underneath the TV. So we've just hung that up for now, but we still need to thread the remaining wires. So lining up with that whole socket thin and the whole socket at the top, he's gonna just drill one hole for the wire of the sound bar that plugs to the TV, because the wire of this, so that it's flush and there's no wires showing at all. So you literally just gonna see the TV and the sound bar. It's gonna look real slick. Tune in to find out how it turns out.
I think somewhere here is fine.
Oh, it's a beam.
No, it's not on the drill.
Okay. Oh, okay, nice. And this is the finished result. No wires whatsoever. Oh, that looks great, babe. Okay, all the wires are there. And the rope has been taped to the TV for future use. But yeah, lovely. Beautiful.